Hello, my name is Hannah and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. Today I will be talking about this used Audi A3 S-Line Sportback, finished in a metallic grey paintwork. This 2023 model comes with a 1 litre petrol engine and manual transmission, ideal for those wanting a more sporty city car. Alongside features such as the 18-inch alloy wheels with a dynamic design, LED automatic headlights, and electric folding wind mirrors for their extra protection when parked up. As we enter the boot space, you can see this has a great space of 380 litres, perfect for those who need to fit their essentials and other things in, such as shopping. Moving into the rear seats with a full leather trim finish for a more stylish and classy feeling, with a pull-down armrest with 2 cup holders built in, manual air conditioning accessible in the back. Moving into the front with the multi-functioning steering wheel with central touch display, with a leather trim finish seats with embossed S in the front seats for a sporty look. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and navigation on screen. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving on to the central infotainment system, there's a variety of radio stations to keep you entertained along your journey. App Connect, or phone apps, allows you to connect your phone and Bluetooth to the car so you can choose what you want to listen to. Car allows you to customise your experience with your different settings on the car. And moving on to Drive Select, so this allows you to put the car in a different mode depending how you want to drive and what terrain you are on. Moving on to the climate controls, the manual climate controls are accessible below the screens to personalise and customise your settings. Moving on to the central console with storage for your phone or keys with 2 charging sockets and 2 large cup holders and a central console storage armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.